Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about Canadian Nickel Company. I did buy a little bit of shares in Canadian Nickel Company because it scares me extremely. It really scares me because it ran so much already that it should make a correction in the near future, because in 5 days it went from $1 all the way up to $2.06. So from that perspective, it scares the crap out of me because I don't like when stocks move so much in a short amount of time. So I only bought a little bit just in case that it just keeps running and running and running and running. I saw it this morning and I'm like, yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna touch it. It ran. I didn't even know what the news was. I just saw it run this morning. And then I read the news and then I was like, oh, okay, that sounds kind of interesting. Maybe I should make a position. So when I woke up, I was like, okay, it's trading. And then I saw it dip to like around under $2. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a small position. I don't care if the stock will just drop. In the short term, it drops back down to, $1.30 or $1.50. I can't think about that. I just got to buy a little bit, like just a little bit. So I bought a little bit. I'm not going to disclose how much I bought, but you just be aware that I'm a shareholder. And it may drop on me, but then I'll just buy some more because I accepted that I may lose out on my entire position if I'm wrong. And the stock drops because it's overbought. So what's the news? The news is Canadian Nickel launches a wholly owned subsidiary, Net Zero Metal Incorp, to develop zero carbon production of nickel, cobalt, and iron. So to begin research and development processing facility that would be located in Timmins, Ontario region, with the goal of utilizing existing technology to produce zero carbon nickel, cobalt, and iron products. I don't know if this is good or this is bad, but it sounds good. It sounds good. Maybe it's just like a little press release to prop the stock up. I don't know, man. I don't know at the end of the day, but this thing has an extremely tight float, and I'm gambling that it's gonna go higher. I could be wrong, but remember Sonos? Yeah, Sonos. Oh, hold on. Wait. What's going on? Oh, I see. Sonos? Okay, this is the wrong one. Sonos Nanotech. Sona. There you go. Sona. Oops. My bad. So yeah, Sona, it went from $3.30, popped 100% to $7.47, and then pops again all the way up to $14.95. And so you don't know at the end of the day what the stock market is gonna do. Even if you're looking at it from a charting perspective, you simply don't know. And that's like the main reason why I'm buying this stock, is because it could do the same thing could happen to Canadian Nickel Company. So you simply don't know. They have about the same share structure. Outstanding share of 60 million shares, float of 52. It's the same thing. It's the exact same, almost exactly the same thing. Nickel Company has a little bit more shares than Sona, but like I said, maybe big money is interested in seeing the nickel company launching its net zero metal. So they're gonna pump the stock and then get listed on the NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange. I don't know at the end of the day what big money wants to do, but if big money wants to pump the stock, they will pump the stock to the upside. But we will see. We will see. I'm just gambling at the end of the day what it would do. It could dip all the way back to $1.50, $1.30, and then I'll just make a position then. But right now, I have a feeling that it's going to keep going up. FBX, I mentioned this the other day. It didn't really do too much. Also, TLO also didn't do too much. These are both Canadian nickel companies, so they didn't do anything. They could still be potentially a big play, but I don't know at the end of the day what the stock price is going to do. Vail today had a really nice day, up 56 cents, 5.02%. Very good. Should have bought some call options right in the morning. It might not be too late, and it might continue to keep running. I don't know what's going to happen at the end of the day, but if I bought some call options right in the morning, I would have made some bank off of it. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, down half a penny, down a little bit, $69.11, down 29 cents. I think that Advanced Micro Devices is probably gonna float around 69, around $70 until earnings. If management says the right thing, if earnings beat expectations, if guidance definitely is going to be stronger in the second half of the year than the first half of the year, I almost guarantee you that. But if they also beat earnings too, I think after the earnings report, AMD will skyrocket, but I could be totally wrong, and it could plummet back down to earth, and we could see this stock trading at $60 again, or somewhere in the 60s. But I just think that in the 60s, AMD is just way too much of a deal. Not with all the Intel problem that's going on, I just think it's way too much of a deal right now at, below $60. But we will see. Virgin Galactic Mole Holdings up 17 cents. Not too much to say about that. The market today is green, 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 green. Gold is up $1.36. Intel is down 57 cents. TSM, the Taiwan Semiconductor, is up $8.41 this morning, just kind of floating sideways ever since that big bounce. Tesla is gaining momentum. Solo just looks like a fantastic deal, but not financial advice. It could fall further. If this is just a dead cat bounce from Tesla, I think that Solo might drop further, but we will see. $200 million is just way too much of a fantastic deal in my opinion. But that's just my opinion, not financial advice. $50 million of cash, 25% of their balance sheet is just, is their market cap. So I don't know. I think when they release productions, I think the stock will move up. I think when they announce a facility in the US, I think the stock will bounce. So one of the two scenarios, the stock will bounce. I think, I know Electromed has some news in the pipeline that could cause the stock to easily skyrocket in one day, but we will see. Arcomotive is also down, so I guess that's they kind of trend with each other. Blink is up 30 cents. Neo is down 24 cents. Spartan is down 13 cents. Aurora is up $1.54 this morning, and Afria is such a winner today, up 14%. Congratulations, Long. Congratulations. You made it. You made a lot of money. Let's see if this can continue, and earnings will be fantastic and the stock will keep running. Canopy Growth is up 49 cents this morning. Kron is up 23 cents this morning. High Tide is not really doing too much this morning. Very Good Butchers is just trading sideways. Beyond Meat is up 47 cents. Kira is up 67 cents. Cresco Labs is up 4.21 cents. It seems like such a major boost in the what's Liberal Health Science doing at just trading sideways. Harv is trading sideways too, but Harv had a nice little bounce this morning, all the way up to $1.37. Now it's pulling back. Yeah, not too much to say about that. Canadian nickel company, I'm gonna do more research on it, and I might make a dedicated video on the weekend on it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.